Coming to you from Rocky Top, Tennessee.
That's right.
He is Mr. Steel Sex Appeal. He is the natural.
Boo!
No body fat.
Oh, you're fat, boy.
TJ Lightning.
Suck.
Take that back on the face. You know,
You're the best at licking butt, boy. Just hold it. Does this do my voice? Yeah. Yes, you do! Thanks, buddy. Now you cuss it. Yeah, you better be stretching, son! Watch it. How about? Get TJ out of the ring! Okay, where'd he go? Smack him around! You killed the deer. You killed the deer. Come on, TJ! Can't you handle it? TJ's a whip! Get back in the ring, son! Let her go!
To you from the abyss. He is one half of Sons of Chaos. Let's hear it for Sean. And in his corner this evening, the other half of SOC, Ace.
Yeah! Get in the ring, boy! Huh?
TJ sucks. TJ sucks. Shut up.
You shut up! Get in the ring, son!
His arms is almost as big as his body.
Get in the ring, pansy!
TJ sucks.
You said ass.
Nacho Libre.
Get him, Sean! Come on, Sean! Go, Sean! Woo! You shut up! You never walked past Oh! Get him, Ace!
TJ sucks.
TJ sucks! TJ sucks! TJ
It went small. It stopped. It went small. No, it was always like that. No, I swear it wasn't. Oh, you're right.
I'm quicker than you.
TJ Lightning sucks!
Get it, TJ!
Yes, you do! Piece of crap. Oh, look at him. Come on, Sean, lay into him.
You better get some advice.
All right, come on.
Gonna need
TJ sucks.
TJ sucks.
TJ sucks. TJ sucks.
Come on, Pansy, get in there.
I thought you did.
How'd you get here?
I bought a ticket.
Yeah, but you're no bigger than a turd. Yes.
My bad, I didn't see.
Ow. Come on, Sean, get up.
I got plenty more where they come from, old man.
I don't think you're old, Ace. I don't think you're old at all, buddy. Oh, come on, Rev! He's smacking him. Little prick.
Shut your mouth.
Oh, get up there! Oh, come on, Sean! Come on, Sean!
Sean, let's go.
He's got a chain!
Put that chain on, Marcus.
He got the chain. He got the chain? Did you know you got a chain? Check his package! Come on, Sean!
Not yet. Now, Will.
Oh! Get him, Ace! I double dare you. Rip! Oh, damn. That had to hurt a little bit. Come on, Sean!
Go back, slap him around, eh?
Sean!
TJ, don't say Jack.
There you go.
Oh! Sorry, baby.
How you feeling now, TJ?
How's your wiener?
He ain't got one.
No, he don't. Get him, Sean!
Black, I'm in the ropes!
You're a pansy! Go get him, Sean! God, that was stiff.
Come on, you can do it, Sean.
Watch out, Sean! Come on, Sean! Get him out of the road!
Come on, Sean.
Come on, Sean! He's got a chain, Ref! Come on, Ref!
Get him off the ropes.
Smack him around! There it is. Been waiting for that. God, Sean, come on! Come on, Ref, that was a close fist! SOB? Oh, just cross. Everybody's just losing waiters left and right. Sucks! Oh, Sean! That burns. Worse than herpes. Oh, God. That hurt. Punch him, ref! Give me the nads. Come on, Sean!
What do you think, old man?
Yeah, I do.
You're the old man. Oh, he's doing it.
Come on, Sean. Come on. Come on, Sean.
Oh, come on, ref!
Come on, Sean.
Come on, Sean!
Come on.
Yeah, Sean! Oh, damn! Woo!
Come on, Sean. SOC.
Oh, come on, Sean! Oh, come on, Sean! Oh, he's good. He's got a chain!
Take that!
And shove it. Come on, whoever you are. Sean, yeah! Woo!
What was that?
That was you losing, son! Come on, Rev, get him off of him. Yeah! Get him, Hayes, get him. Come on, Hayes, go get him.
Here's your
Mama's
winner,
not
wrestling
biased at all.
fans, from the Abyss.
Oh, they're fine. Let him go! Have at it!
Let him go. Let him go. Let him go.
Somebody's gonna win.
Might as well be you.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, one more time for your winner.